Hello, this is Mary with the Gardening Cousins. Hi, Sharon. Hi, Becky. Thank you all who are following us so far. Again, this is all experimental. We've been gardening for a while, but everything is experiment when it comes to gardening. I don't pretend to be an expert by any stretch of the imagination. So if you all have tips for us, please leave them, leave a note below the channel where you can subscribe for us. If you're near us by any chance, shout out, leave some suggestions, comments. This video is to give you a garden tour layout of what we are doing here in Middlesex County. So we have plants in different places. So I'm just going to flip this on the deck. The back deck to the house, we have a raised garden bed, and we have, as you can see, some lettuce in there. Our onions are in there, a strawberry plant. We have more strawberries up here with our American flag. And we have in this some kale. And look at the radishes are coming along. And those are our radishes there. And then under here for now, there's more kale. We're expecting some rain, so my mom was concerned about them getting drenched. And then there's lettuce growing right there. And we're going to travel down in front of the deck here, where you can see we have some gardening happening here. These are mostly flowers. We have flowers, and then we have 3 tomatoes. We have more tomatoes coming. And this is my mom's herb planter. And if we take a peek, she started this a little late, so we're a little bit behind. So there are various herbs, as you can see, coming along inside of here. Okay. And then we have some peppers going in here. Now we're going to travel out to where we have more space. And again, all of this is just phase 1 for now. Trying to follow the calendar so we don't lose any plants. The tomatoes came, we put these out a little too early. Here are 2 more buckets of tomatoes, so hopefully they will make it. And as you can see, we have 1 empty raised garden bed that we're going to put some stuff in. And we used raised platforms, wooden pallets. And then we have 1 bin going. So in here we have some bok choy. This is all bok choy, I think. And yellow. Yeah, bok choy. And then in here we have yellow squash, which definitely needs some sun. And we just added, and this is the bin here. Another bin will go here. And we have space, as you can see, for phase 2, and that which will happen in mid-May. And in here, we just got some white potatoes in 3 potato bags. So I'm going to step out so you can see, turn this way, a little bit of phase 1. Phase 2 will happen mid-May. We'll be adding... What are we adding? Oh, that's when we add pole beans. What else? I just wrote it down. Pole beans and some other items for phase 2. And then in June, I will probably plant some corn. I haven't had success with planting corn yet. So if anybody has any tips, please shout us out. It's around. And that is...